Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, we will be reviewing a video editing app that works on both Android and iOS. The app we will be reviewing is Filma Video Editor. But before we get into the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share this video. Thank you. To start off, Filma comes with both free and paid versions. The Pro version gives you access to more and ultra-creative transitions. It also gives you access to high-quality film filters and unique fonts, and let you remove watermark and ads within the application. It is also one of my favorite editing apps because it has a lot of features, and it's very easy to use. Filma is available for both Android and iOS. You can download it from Google Play Store or App Store. If you download Filma for the first time, you will see a completely empty field, just like this one, with no recent projects. To start editing your videos, click on Camera if you want to record and import live videos to edit inside the application. Or click the Camera Roll button to select and import an existing media from your device. After importing your media, you will be welcomed to a clean and easy-to-use interface. Your imported clips are arranged from top to bottom on a vertical timeline, which makes your editing much easier. The top area here shows all the tools and options available to help you edit your videos. This big area here is your playback or preview area, which allows you to preview or play through the video you are currently editing. You can also add more clips to your timeline by clicking on the button down here. While editing your videos, you might want to trim down your clips. You can do that by moving the slider to where you want your clips to start or end. You can also rearrange the clips on your timeline just by holding and dragging the clip to the new position you want. To split or trim your clips, just click on the three dots beside the clip you will like to trim and click on Split. Move the slider to where you will like to split the clip and click on the green checkmark. This part also gives you more advanced options and features that let you speed up your video, rotate clips, adjust volume, copy and delete media clips from your timeline. You can also apply transitions to your videos by clicking on this effect button between the clips on your timeline. You can add a fade, white flash, and a lot more transitions. You also have access to more advanced transitions if you are using the Pro version. You can also set the duration for each transition by clicking on the time here. The Music tab at the top allows you to add music to your videos. You can select and add any music from Filma's royalty-free music library to your videos. Or, you can add your own music by clicking on the My Music button. You can adjust the length of the audio to fit your video by moving the slider. The Text tab allows you to add text to your videos. Click on the T button down here and type the text you want to add to your videos. Click on the button in the middle to change the font of your text. Select the font that suits your style. You also get access to more fonts if you are using the Pro version. Tap on the button that says Color to change the color of your text. Tap on Done to apply your changes and move the slider to the part where you want the text to appear in the video. Hold and drag the text to the position you want. Pinch to resize the text. You can also add effects and filters by tapping on the Filter button. You can select and apply filters from the wide range of filters available to you. The Format button allows you to set the aspect ratio for your video. You can select a 16:9 format, which is mostly suitable for YouTube videos. You can also choose between a 1x1 square or a 4x3 vertical for Instagram, a 9x16 for Instagram stories or TikTok, or a 4x5 horizontal version. To export your videos, click on the share icon. You can turn off the Filmer watermark if you are using a pro version, or you can watch an advertisement to turn off the watermark if you are using the free version. You can export or share your videos directly to YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and other social media platforms. You can also decide to export the video directly to your device by clicking on the Save button, and this will prepare and export the video to your device. Once it's done, your video will automatically be saved on your internal storage, under the Movies folder on your device. While editing your video, your project will be saved automatically, and you can return to it at any time. You can also rename, share, or delete the project. To get the best out of Filmer, I suggest you get the Pro version, which allows you to unlock more transitions, effects, and other cool features. You can get the Pro version for $4.99 weekly, or $39.99 yearly. The link to download Filmer Video Editor will be in the description. Let me know in the comment section what you think about Filmer Video Editor. Hope you found this review useful. If you do, then make sure to drop us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon so you can get notified as soon as we upload a new video. Also, make sure to share this video with a friend. Thank you.